Hello everyone. I'm making this video because I received lots of teachers comments where how to sort the data in Google Drive first thing. And second thing, whenever I share a link, I share it on WhatsApp or I share it on your Google chat henceforth. So every time you need to go to Google chat or WhatsApp in order to open that link. So that is not the case actually. I'll tell you how to sort it. Now here you can see right now I have logged in from the official account. So this is the first important step. Second thing, click on these 9 dots and you will see Drive folder. Now, in case you don't see it here, of course, you can search for Google Drive and you will find the option called as drive.google.com. These two are not the ones we want. We want drive.google.com. Click on that and both will lead us to this. Now here you'll see right now, this is on the priority, the first option where you see all the files and folders that have recently accessed or somebody has shared with you. You can, if you see a file and you don't know where it is located, you can right click on it and you can click on show the file location. So it will show you in which folder it has been saved. Now, when you want to sort all these files and folders, first thing is My Drive. Now, My Drive is a place where you have kept all the files and folders. So right now you see, when I click on My Drive, here is quick access. This is quick access. So in this, you will find all the files that you have recently accessed or recently someone has shared with you. Now below, you will find all the folders that you have created. In case you don't see anything here, only the classroom. Remember, classroom is the folder which is our Google Classroom. So don't delete it, don't do anything. Just let it be as it is. Now, below that, I have created important data. If you want to create such folder, just click on this new and click on folder and it will ask you to name it. So I will right now name is at test folder. You can name it as per your wish or your name or event, anything. So I'm going to create. Now you see the folder has been created here as test folder. I already had one more test folder. So never mind. I have opened a test folder. Now inside this test folder also I can create more folders by right clicking on that and I can create more folders. So here if I click, one more folder will be created. And if I want to upload anything from the computer, I can use this and I can upload whatever I have in my computer over here. If I want to upload the entire folder in my computer, click on this and upload the entire folder from the computer. If I want to create new files over here, Word, Excel, this is Word, which is Google Docs, Excel, which is Google Sheets, and PowerPoint is Google Slides. And Forms is your quizzes which you make. So those kind of files you can create over here. Now, this is how you can sort all the things here. So whatever you have in your computer, just upload it over here. Like just now you have recorded all the meetings and uploaded here. And once it is done, then you can delete it from the computer. No issues. All the files are now on the drive. Even if you lose access to your computer, still you have access to the drive. That means all the files. Now, next thing I told you. So like that, create files and folders and arrange your entire Google Drive as your wish, according to standard, according to event, or according to whatever you wish to, date, time. Now, next thing here, when I click on shared with me, I will see all the files and folders that the teachers have shared with me or teachers have done editing in it. For example, this was summer camp related news, which Kalyani teacher has edited. So I am able to see it here. But if I don't know where it is, again, I remind you, right click on this and click on show me file location, and I will be able to see the locations. Now, in the same way, this is quick access. Below, if you see, these are the files and folders, and these are the people, those who have shared them with me. So now I will keep on getting all of them here. You can see here students also, when they share something on Google Classroom, their names also appear here. Now that will be quite messy. So now Lalit sir has shared me this first folder. I want this folder to be kept in the folder that we just now created, which is, if you remember, temporary. So I'll right click on this. I click on add shortcut to drive. So I click on that. Now here I want to move this to my drive. So I am going to click here. And you remember we have just now created a test folder. Now I will open that. I'll put the arrow here and I'll click here, add shortcut. So remember, this unit test result consolidated now henceforth will appear in my drive and test folder. Oops, sorry, there were two test folders, so I got confused. This test folder, here it is. So right, like that, whenever somebody shares with you, for example, I share some Excel sheet with you, so you can right click on that file. Now this is a file, these were all folders, so I went here. Then again you go to add shortcut to the drive, then click on my drive, next, then test folder, next. And here if I click on shortcut, if I want to create more folder here, there is a possibility I can click here and say new. I'm just giving it a name, new folder something, and I click tick and click on add shortcut. Now see what happens. I go to my drive, I go to test folder, and you see that new I had created. So this is new, and inside that new, that is the file which I have shared over here. So like that, you can save all the files that I am sharing with you into your drive. I hope this helps. Thank you.